Hey guys, my name is Layla Melgosa, and the Mars rover I chose is Curiosity. This is a picture of it landing. This is where it landed. And this is Curiosity himself. And this is the first picture it took, and it was Mount Sharp. The Curiosity launch date was November 26, 2011. The landing date was August 6, 2012. The max speed was 0.08699 miles per hour. The cost was $2.5 billion. Curiosity descended on a parachute. Then, during the final seconds before landing, the landing system fired rockets to allow it to hover while a tether lowered Curiosity to the surface. It landed on its wheels. The tether was cut, and the landing system flew off to crash land a safe distance away. Curiosity explores the Gale crater and acquires rock, soil, and air samples. Curiosity landed on a flat terrain next to a giant mountain called Mount Sharp, and then explored its layers. And then now I show another picture. This is Curiosity on the Gale crater, and this is the size. So it's really tiny, and this is also Mount Sharp, better angle. So what we learned is that ancient Mars could have held life, evidence of ancient water flows. Curiosity detected dangerous levels of radiation. There was no methane, which means no life on Mars, and significant geological diversity found on Mars. And this is my reference from the pictures and the websites I found the information.